If you thought the most dangerous bird was the ostrich, think again. It's the cassowary. But why is it so dangerous? While you hit subscribe, let me explain. On its inner toe, it carries a 10 to 12 centimeter dagger-like claw. Its kick drives upward, causing deep slashing wounds. It can run up to 50 kilometers per hour, weave through rainforest in zigzags, and leap 1 to 1.5 meters to deliver a double kick. Behavior-wise, it's highly territorial. When defending chicks, food, or space, it puffs up, booms, and then charges. Attacks on humans are rare but documented, with injuries often being deep cuts to legs and abdomen. In short, a raptor-footed sprinter. Give it space, don't approach, and never feed it.